forecast, we saw a few flurries this morning.
Nothing sticking, but just a friendly reminder that it's still January according to the calendar.
Something sticking to come?
Nothing in the near future.
All right, okay.
Yeah, we'll see a few more wet flakes later in the weekend, but still, I mean, this is more like November than January.
All right.
We'll take it.
Yep, and it may continue for a while too. Meantime, the clouds are hanging on. That's nothing new for us, but we just had a great start to the month. We were almost 20 degrees above average. Obviously, we're going to start to wind that down a little bit, but just getting back to seasonal now feels chilly, but this is a perfectly average January day, and we do get a lot of clouds this time of year. 38 now, west wind at 8, so even the wind chill is just at freezing. So that's certainly not frigid. You can see the remnant storm finally pushing its way into the Great Lakes, a little coastal storm adding to some snow in New England, but by and large a pretty quiet pattern. A weak system east of the Rockies will affect us on Sunday, but we're watching the snow go away to the east. Yeah, there could be a couple of stray flurries out there with the chilly air, but not expecting anything of note through the overnight hours or the day on Saturday. It's 34 Delaware and Mount Vernon, just freezing at Bell Fountain, 38 here in the city, but not even 40 in southern Ohio, at least in our viewing area. So temperature-wise, again, perfectly seasonal January day, 26 at Chicago, that's about right, and in the 40s along the eastern seaboard. We expect temperatures to be relatively stable the next several days, but with a little sun, we have a shot at getting back to 40. A very slow drop in temperature tonight with that thick band of clouds, 35 to about 33 as we get closer to midnight. And you can see that on our pinpoint forecast. The clouds, yeah, they may thin out across the southern part of the state, but staying pretty thick across central and northern Ohio, with just a little bit of clearing down towards Cincinnati. So we start off in the low to mid 30s, but if we do get some of these breaks in the afternoon, we'll be at least flirting with 40, even a couple of degrees above average. So no moisture in the way of falling rain or snow. That's because high pressure is building across the lakes. Now let's watch that storm I pointed out in the southern plains. It ripples up into Kentucky, but here again the rain stays mainly to the south. Just a few sprinkles south and east of the I-71 corridor. On Sunday afternoon, temperatures are fine, upper 30s, so we're just dealing with rain, and then dry air sweeps it. Now, we will watch this weekend. If that storm comes a little farther north, maybe we see an additional round of rain and wet snow Sunday night, not expecting anything of consequence. So mostly cloudy, can't rule out a flurry north and east, about 30. And then for the day on Saturday, decreasing clouds for a little while in the afternoon. Then the clouds come back on Sunday, scattered rain showers, a lot of 40s next week, and only dropping into the upper 30s with the next cold front late in the week.